Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you about components. Before we dive into components, let's show you a platform where you can learn React and practice React online. Okay, so JS Complete is a platform, a playground where you can practice React online. Okay, so you don't need to install React and go through this, but this has some limitations. I will say when you have come to bigger projects, that time it's better you install and code in a real-time application. Okay, but for practicing and short projects and demonstrations, this is really good. Okay, so here in JS Complete, here in the render, if I give h1, let's say hello, and h1, and if I play, and you will see here hello, so it runs very well. Okay, so now I'll just remove this. I'll show you components. Now there are two kinds of components. Okay, one is functional components. So functional, function, let's say well, and props. So this is basically any name you can give, and this here I'll give return, and here let's say h1 and h1, and let's say hello, and here let's say world for now. Okay, I'll show you props in a little bit of time. Just now I'll show you just how to use a component first. Okay, so here in the main class app, here if I give, let's say well, and if I play, you will see hello world. Okay, so what is component? Component is actually kind of a function in Java. If you are comfortable with Java, then components is a bit of like Java's function. Okay, where you can reuse the code a couple of times. So here if I give this again, and if I play, there will be two hello world. So kind of you are reusing this code, this piece of function again and again. Okay, now I'll show you props. So here let's say we want a bit of dynamic function. Okay, so let's say props dot name, and here we'll pass this name. Name is actually a variable, and we'll pass this name over here. So name equals, let's say Sarah, and if you play this, you will get hello Sarah. Now you can use this a couple of times. Okay, so here if I say Rohit, so you will see that there are two functions. I am reusing this piece of code in two different conditions and two different names. Okay, so this is functional component where you can declare props, but functional components won't be having state of its own. Now I'll discuss state in a video later on, where I'll discuss in detail states. For now I'll discuss only props and components in this video. Okay, so this is a functional component. Now I'll show you a class component. For a class component, let's copy this class only. It's pretty similar to this, and let's say come. Okay, this is the name of this component which I have given, and here let's say h2, and here let's say welcome to React tutorial. So here if I say come, and I'll just say this, so you can see basically that this come is displaying this. Okay, now if I use props over here as well, then I can show that also. Okay, just like functional components. So if I give, but make sure here you give props dot name, since this is a function and props is a parameter, but here you have to give this dot props dot, and you give here, let's say, greetings. Okay, so here let's say here I am greeting with, let's say, greet is a variable, and here I, let's say, welcome. So now if I play, it will show welcome. But now let's copy this once more, and here let's say salute, sorry, salute. And if I play this, you can see this is salute to React tutorial. So this is two different props for the same component we are using. Okay, so it's kind of reusing this class component, and this is the functional component. So we covered functional component and class component in this short video. Thanks for watching.